Hi, my name is Parker, and I'm going to teach you how to make a boxed pinhole projector. To get started, you'll need a cardboard box. Cereal boxes or shoe boxes work great. You'll also need scissors, aluminum foil, a pencil, a push pin, some tape, and a white piece of paper big enough to cover one end of the box. Start by tracing one end of the box on the white sheet of paper. Then cut out your shape and place it inside of the box on the same end you just traced. Next, cut 2 square holes on the opposite end of the box, one on the left and one on the right. If you're using a cereal box, tape up the middle to help everything stay together. Now cover one of the square holes completely with aluminum foil. Use tape to help the foil stay in place. Finally, take the push pin and punch a very small hole in the center of the aluminum foil. Ta-da! Always remember, you should never look directly at the sun because it's very dangerous and will hurt your eyes. To use your boxed pinhole projector, stand with your back to the sun. Then, hold the large square hole up to your eye and move the box around until you see the sun projected on the paper. Watching a solar eclipse is a great way for anyone to do science. But remember, you have to be careful. Stay safe.
Happy eclipse watching!